Excuse me. I'm kidding.
I got bones for my babies. Somebody want a bone? Huh? Huh? Somebody want a bone? Yeah, you licking your chops because you want a bone, buddy? Huh? You want a bone? Ooh, what is that? What is that? Is that the good stuff? Mommy's got the goods, huh? Look at that tail wagging. Look at that tail wagging. It's a wagging. And there's Emma being, whatever, Mom, I don't care. I don't care. Somebody cares. Huh, Bubby? You want a bone, Bubby? You want a bone, buddy? See how you following Mommy because you think Mommy's got the bones over here? She doesn't.
What was that? What are you?
Ooh. Ah. Ooh. Ooh. What do we got, buddy? What do we got? What do we got, Emma? What do I got? We got some good bones. I don't know. Which one shall we eat?
I know.
Alone.
I know.
We need to talk alone right now.
Okay.
Ha ha, look who finally got up. Oh, careful, buddy, careful. We know you're a delicate butterfly, so we'll put yours in your bowl.
Calm down. There is a simple explanation.
Was he adopted?
No.
Then you are a sick man. I am a sick woman. We have done a very sick
Blake
thing.
is not my biological son.
What? What did you just say?
I said that Blake is not my biological son, nor is he adopted. My first wife sent.
There you go, get your bone, Emma. Buddy's got it. What'd you do? Just get your bone, Bubba. Chew on your bone. You don't want it anymore? Huh? It's right there, buddy. It's right there. Oh, yummy. Yummy. Yummy, yummy for your tummy. There it is, buddy. This is all the traffic for Fleet Week. Yes, today was Fleet Week. Or Fleet, whatever. The show. And there's Bubba with his bone and Emma drinking her water. Where's your bone, Emma? Buddy, get your bone! Chew on your bone, my love man. Emma, go get your bone. Go on, go get your bone. What is wrong with you? Fine. Come in here, you little princess. There. How come your tail's not wagging? Why don't you lay down and get romantic with your bone? A big girl. That's my Emma. She's a big girl. Emma. Emma. Is that a good bone? Yeah. See, stop bugging me, man. I'm serious about my bones. We're gonna close this down in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Still chewing on these bones. How's that bone, Bubba? Is that a good bone, huh, buddy? Is that a good bone? You know what the good side is? Right here. Oh. Yeah. That's the good side. Okay, it's time to switch the bones again. Hello, how was the show?
Yes, cool.
Good. There you go. All right, here you go. Try that one. That's the better of the two. Yeah. That's good, huh, buddy? Is that good, buddy?